Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the exact Google account used for the searches. Once signed in, go straight to My Activity and make sure Web and App Activity is enabled. This is how Google logs searches. Use a desktop browser for the next steps because the controls and export options are easier to access. If Web and App Activity was off, you won't retroactively recover missing items, but you'll be ready to capture future searches immediately. Now you focus on locating the entries. Use the filter option inside My Activity to narrow results by product, choose search, by date range, or by keyword. Once done, scan the device list and other Google products. YouTube or Maps sometimes contain linked queries you want. Also make sure to check Chrome history on each synced device and any local browser backups. Chrome Sync can hold history even if My Activity lacks some items. These combined sources often reveal the missing searches. To recover or preserve what you find, use Google Takeout to export search and Chrome history. Choose the relevant products and request an archive so you can inspect raw records. Once you have the archive, open the files to identify timestamps and terms, and then import or re-add items into your workflow. If you can't find the data, check device backups and router or DNS logs. Troubleshooting tip: if items were permanently deleted from Google, your best hope is a local device backup or contacting Google support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.